2005 Pontiac GTO here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Low mile car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles, just a little over 20,000 is all in this car. Quicksilver metallic, ebony or black leather interior, 6-liter LS2 underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive. Let's take a look at this front fascia. You can see paint's in nice shape up front. Just a couple little small spots that have been touched up. You can kind of see that. Overall paint shows very well. Nicely equipped too, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. If you want to check out the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the engine bay, interior, trunk, undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory GTO wheels. Looks like Goodyear Eagle Sport radials. There's also a copy of the window sticker. So if you want to see exactly how this car was equipped, go ahead and check out those still pictures. You're going to be able to see the window sticker. Passenger side, I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, paint looks in very nice shape. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run. It does have a few tasteful modifications done to it. I'm going to tell you that in just a second. First of all, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, coming around to the rear of the car. Exhaust tips, as you can see, not factory. It has true dual exhaust. Cats are still intact, but mufflers on the rear, that's where the modifications have come in. So exhaust has been opened up a little bit on it. A little more of a bark from factory, but nothing crazy over the top. And the original mufflers are in the trunk, I believe is where they put them. And then you can see here K&N air filter box. And that is the original factory equipment. It has a K&N cold air intake on it. We're going to check that out when we're underneath the hood. I can pop the trunk for you too, and we can check out, see if those mufflers are back there. And once again, still pictures. You can be able to see all that in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Pontiacs or maybe just GTOs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor. As you can see, driver's side looks as good as the passenger side, really free again of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It's what you'd expect on a car with a clean Carfax. What, little over 20,000 miles, 20,394, I believe the odometer is going to read. And we're going to check that out here just real quick. Let me pull that key a second. I don't have to listen to the warning chime. All right, so power mirrors. Would also have power windows, power locks, power driver's seat over here. And then take a look at the condition of the seating surface. Bolster, great shape. Leather on the seats, great shape. GTO embroidered backrests. All right, let's go ahead, peek in this trunk. I mentioned that earlier. Should have it unlocked here. All right, so we did set the factory mufflers back in the trunk. And again, you'll be able to check those out in the still pictures. Look at the underside of the car. You're going to see what's on there now. And you're also going to hear what's on there real quick like. All right. So driver's information center right over here, as well as here. Average fuel miles per gallon, 19, not bad. 20,394. All punk stereo system is factory in these. 6 CD changer. Sounds like the boss. Dash looks good. Burr AC definitely works. It'll freeze you out. Alright, let's take a listen. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Alright, let me pause this real quick. I'll get this hood open for us. We'll check out that engine bay. And again, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, here we go. Hood popped. Hood liner. Nice and clean and tidy. You can tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather, no doubt about that. There's that K&N cold air intake, as you can see. And remember, clean Carfax, low mile car. Nothing to hide on this one, folks. There it is, tried and true LS2 6-liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Battery shut off installed for in between drives or when it's in storage. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. '2005 Pontiac GTO, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Call us 507-386-1726. Remember, there's a window sticker in the still pics if you want to see exactly how this car is equipped. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2005 Pontiac GTO. This car is an automatic right here on the center console. Which honestly, you know, it might make it faster because you don't have to clutch between your acceleration. Let's see how she does. Very, very well. Actually broke the tires loose between gears and got up to speed as quick as you like. Love those red face gauges. This fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. The temperature gauge a little less than half. Tachometer working as it should. Speedometer as well. Factory stereo from Blaupunkt. Working well. Very comfortable leather bucket seats with adjustable headrests in this car. Pontiac always seem to get the ergonomics right, at least for me. Some of the most comfortable cars, and usually sporty as well. Nice rumble coming out the back of this car. Corners nice and flat. Takes the corners well. Very fun to drive. Very responsive in the throttle and the steering. Steering controls for the radio as well. All the creature comforts in a fun, fast car. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Pontiac GTO at uniqueclassiccars.com.